Father. Father, Lord. I'm so grateful for it, Lord. For a long time I've been praying. I've been praying for an admission. Now, you gave me two. Two. And you allow me to choose anyone I want. And of course, Lord, I chose the better. I chose the better, Lord. Lord, I chose the better. The better. The better. Yes, Lord. I chose the better. No. I choose the better. No, Lord, no. This school is better. This school is better. This school is better. This is what I want. This school is what I desire. This is what I want, Lord. Lord.
Where are you going early this morning?
I'm sorry, Baba. I'm leaving.
Okay now. When will you be back?
I'll never be back.
What do you mean?
I'm in the wrong school.
No! Your name is here. It's here. Can't you see? Hey. Ogun àti ilé wa lè léyìí o.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Yes, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, sir. My name is Mike Abayomi Bamiloye. Please, I've just been granted admission into this college. So, I'm looking for the administrative block so I can start my registration.
Where is your admission letter?
Okay, sir. Sorry, it's a bit rumpled.
No problem. Okay. Well, lectures have started. Go and join them over there.
Sir?
The lectures have started. Go and join them under there.
The lecture hall? Jesus is Lord.
I don't want to believe you know all this from your secondary school days. Make sure you write something down, okay?
Yes, sir.
There are 8 parts of speech we have in English language. There are 8 parts of speech in English language. Number 1, noun, pronoun. Preposition.
Come again, sir.
Go and ask your father at all. Conjunction and interjection. Projection. You, stand up. Yeah, stand up. Mention the 8 parts of speech we have in English language.
Sir?
You heard me right. Are you a new student to this school? Oh, I see. Well, I'll pardon you. Then where are you from?
Adeyemi College of Education.
Oh, I was asking about your state of origin, boy.
Or your states?
Or your state. Were you expelled from Adeyemi? And then why are you here? Come again.
He doesn't want me there.
And who?
My father.
Your father? Only an illiterate will prefer this school to Adeyemi College of Education. What's this? Is that tears I'm seeing in your eyes? You're crying? Oh. Okay. Have your seat. Sit. Now, can any of you give me the hate part of speech?